Hello friends, in this video we are going to know about SWAMITVA scheme. SWAMITVA is abbreviated as Survey of Villages and Mapping with Improvised Technology in Village Areas. Under this scheme, a rural area will be demarcated using drone surveying technology. Before moving further, I just want to inform you that I have made a video on important information about COVID. If you want to watch it, the suggestion will be there in the I button. If you feel the informations are important, please share it with the people who are in need of this information. Coming back to the scheme, why is it in news? Recently, Prime Minister has urged all the states to sign a MOU with Survey of India and launch the scheme by distributing e-property cards under a scheme. On 24th April 2021, 24th April is celebrated as the National Panchayat Raj Day in India. Around 4 lakh property owners were given e-property card on this occasion. The pilot phase of this scheme was implemented during 2020 itself, under which there were majorly 6 states which were taken in this trail: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, and some selected villages of Punjab and Rajasthan. The scheme covers around 6.62 lakh villages of the entire country by 2025. This scheme is totally a central sector scheme, which means the center will fund this scheme and the center is the planner and implementer of the scheme. Of course, they will take help of the state departments, but it is totally funded and planned by center. The Prime Minister of India launched this scheme on National Panchayat Day on 24th April 2020. The pilot scheme. Ministry of Panchayati Raj is the nodal ministry for the scheme, and in states the Revenue Department and Land Record Department will handle this scheme with the support of Zilla Panchayat and Gram Panchayats. Survey of India is the technological partner for the scheme. That's why Prime Minister has urged all the states to sign a Memorandum of Understanding with Survey of India. Aims and objectives of this scheme. This scheme will help integrating the property validation solution in rural area, as many of the property documents are haphazard and not arranged in one place. This will do the job of integrating all those property documents. It provides the record of rights to village household owners in rural area and issue property cards. These property cards will be unique, like we have Aadhaar number. This property card number will be unique for all the properties and the owners. Implementation of this scheme will help in determination of property tax. When we get to know and have documentation of each and every land linked to its owner, we can have proper determination of taxes. The survey infrastructure and the GSI mapping can be utilized by any department for planning of any of the schemes. GSI means Geographical Information System. This GSI mapping will also help in better quality Gram Panchayat development plans. When we have all the data like where the watershed is more, where the irrigation water is surplus and where it is arid, where the pasture land is there, we can have better quality Gram Panchayat development plannings. This will reduce the property related disputes and legal cases. We all know these property disputes will take not just months, not just years, but generations to be resolved, and the money goes in it is something which is huge. So when we have proper records, all these related disputes and legal cases can be reduced to a lot extent. Some of the major benefits of the scheme. So this scheme will lead a path towards having Gram Swaraj, which was a concept given by father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. And in recent days, we are also encouraging Atmanirbhar villages. So this will be a step forward towards that direction. The scheme can transform rural India using modern technical tools of mapping and surveying. In Karnataka, I have seen there are apps that has been developed by government in which if you turn on your GPS and locate your location, the app will show you survey number and the boundary of that land. As this is officially done by government, it can be used for any legal and official purposes. So like this, technology can be brought into rural areas. If a land is disputed, it can't be used as a financial asset. No banks will accept it as a collateral. So when we have a proper documentation of every land and its owner, it can be effectively used as a financial asset by the villagers for availing loans and other financial benefits. And an interesting fact is that this scheme is called by different name in different states. Like in Karnataka, it is called as Rural Property Ownership Record (RPOR). In Haryana, it's called as Title Deed. In Madhya Pradesh, it is called as Adhikar Abhilekh. In Maharashtra, it is called as Sannad. In Uttarakhand, it is called as SWAMITVA Abhilekh. In Uttar Pradesh, it is called as Garauni. So these are all major things we have to know about SWAMITVA scheme. Thank you for watching this video.